If you have anything to do with safety documentation, you need to see this. This is one solution to a major problem: inconsistencies in your document suite. Whether you're preparing for a single event, a consultant managing multiple clients, or a contractor submitting similar documents again and again, this could be the most important few minutes of your year. Right now, you've probably got a collection of safety documents for an event. You spend hours cross-checking everything, only to repeat the same process for the next one. And deep down, you know it's not perfect. There are inconsistencies, and you're left hoping nothing goes wrong. Well, that stops today. Let me show you this feature in SafetyDocs. We'll head over to the demo site at app.safetydocs.org. You can register for a free account there. On this page, you'll see examples, templates, and ready-to-use documents. But to show you how simple this is, we'll go into the demo event. Now, we create a new page. We'll call it Master Data, your single source of truth. This is where all your key information lives, and from here, it flows across every other document. So, we save the page. Now I'll open a new tab and create another page called Policy Doc 1. And save. This is your first document. Now, let's go back to the Master Data page and click Edit. We need some data in here, so we'll insert a table. 3 columns, 2 rows. First field, event name. We'll call it Prom's Evening. Next, emergency contact. We'll enter Bill Jones. And add a telephone number. Now, save the page. This table can be as detailed as you need, but this is your core data. Now, if you want this data to appear in other documents, or even sit at the top of every document, you simply link it. To do that, make sure you're not in edit mode. Click into the table. Then use the paperclip icon to get the internal document reference. For now, just copy it. Now go back to your policy document. Click Edit, Paste, press Enter, and Save. And just like that, the same table appears here. If we need to make a change, let's go back to Master Data. Say the name isn't Bill, it's Billy, and the number changes slightly. Save. Now return to the policy document, refresh, and it's updated instantly. Every change syncs across your entire document suite. Real-time consistency, real compliance. Now let's take this further. What if you want to include a policy statement? I'll paste in an emergency procedure. This might include evacuation instructions and muster points. Save the page. Now again, we link it. Highlight the section, click the paperclip, copy. Go back to the policy document, edit, paste the link underneath, and save. Now this statement is also synced everywhere it's used, and any update here updates everywhere else. But what if you don't want the full table? What if you only need one piece of information, like a name or number, inside a paragraph? That's where this enhanced feature comes in. Go to Edit, select the name, click the 3 dots, and choose Wrap. We'll label this bookmark Emergency Contact. Save. Now do the same for the phone number. Wrap, name it, save. Now we reference it. Remember, this page has an ID. We'll use that. Go back to the policy document. And type, "Your emergency contact is." Now insert the bookmark. Select Bookmarks. Enter the page ID. Choose the name. Insert. Then add the mobile number. Insert that bookmark too. Save. And now, your document is fully dynamic. Change it once, and it updates everywhere. Permissions can also be controlled, so users only see what they need to see, while everything stays connected behind the scenes. This isn't just about saving time, it's about accuracy, consistency, duty of care, and ultimately, protecting yourself from risk, fines, or worse. So, sign up for a free account at app.safetydocs.org. Subscribe for more, and we'll be in touch. Until next time, create, sync, share, comply. Bye for now.